that GM is not completely useless. It's the same color. They're copying Ford everywhere they can. Yo, look, they have a place for an axle. Imagine making this all-wheel drive. It'd be sick. Well, I guess this is easy actually because this is the longer hose. So this should be going across the car. So this would be passenger side. Fluid from a sealed container. We got a sealed container and it's .4, but it's full synthetic, blah blah blah. We're just gonna pour it in for now and then bleed it later. Supercharger here, and then right? I don't know. Remove it. Here's the plan, Chief. What's with that? Alright, we got the engine in. I got the wiring through the firewall. I just got to get in there and plug everything into the body control module and then throttle body and all that. And then we're going to put it back on the lift. And then We might put the cats on, we might not, I don't know, because we got the wrong bracket for the transmission. And then we're gonna try to power it on and hit the button for the first time, see if it cranks. We gotta put oil in there though. We gotta put oil in. All right. Could be a fire.
Park brake fault.
Oh man, nothing's connected in there. 3,700 miles. I think that's what reads the key fob. And it's unplugged, and that's why it says it's not detected. We're gonna plug everything in just in case. What? The brake switch is not functional, so just try to start it by itself. Okay, that was good.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna hold the brake up and ignition on. Look at that. Boom. Half a tank of gas. What's up?
So many lights.
Dude, I can't. This thing almost started.
Voltage.
I need to get the that negative terminal and the right battery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it saying?
Well, I think it's just low voltage mostly because of our, just the booster box being there. But I'm about to scan the engine and see. Sad. Seems like it is. This might help. It definitely won't hurt. So, positive. I'm just gonna do this move here. No luck yet, but it'll start next time. I mean, look at all this stuff still disconnected, you know. Some of it's important, some of it is not. But everything on the engine's connected, except like the fan, you know, and stuff like that. Maybe I missed the ground somewhere. But it turns over and it should start. I don't know. So, until next time.